today, the 28-year-old Magdalene, myself, okay, is going for a boat cruise. So I just hopped in by this restaurant, just by the shore, and I'm just here for a margarita while waiting for my boarding time. And this is my tea. And this hat and my sunglasses, of course. So stay tuned. Make sure to click the subscribe button. Click on your post notifications to be notified every time I post. And don't forget to like. Yeah? Yes. Guys, I'm putting on a jersey because it's cold and it's raining. It's raining. Now this jersey is ruining my outfit. Guys, listen to the fans. I am so excited. What? What do you even mean? What do you even mean, Sana? This is amazing. We are sun-kissed and all. And and we are living the bay. So this is quite an experience, and I'm here to live that. Okay. Oh my God! Listen to that music. You are lying to me right now.
I can't see you.
Look at that. Cheers to yes, just cheers. I don't know how to Sprite. Happy holidays. Can I hear Dilu? Oh, sorry guys, we're still holidaying here. Yeah. Very good morning from Cape Town, you guys. It is exactly is it the 2nd of May? Yes. That is the 2nd of May. And it's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's kind of sad. But yeah, it's child. It's child if he had Juliano. Leave. Now it's time to go back to what? It's time to go nurse the patients back to health. Oh, guys, now I'm having a hard time now. I'm having a hard time putting this banner. And I give it like in the stress go airport. No, I don't want that. I don't want to be stressed. I've tidied up the house, the place, the apartment, and we are ready to hit the road. Let me show you guys. This is the bed, that blanket thingy situation. I'm still on bed waiting for my Uber. This is my jacket with 2 of my bags, and then the big bag is here, and then there over there in the kitchen is trash. It couldn't fit on the Georgian side, and here in the I'm gonna have to leave this big yogurt because it's on, and then this Sprite also is remaining. Yes, the owner will just have to discard. And the bathroom situation, it's like this. So it was lovely being in Cape Town. I enjoyed my time. Guys, don't come for my t-shirt showing up there, okay? The aircraft is very cold. There's no time for armor drips, what, J. No. It's very cold outside, and we're not trying to catch a cold. We've been well. We managed to not catch a cold when we're in Cape Town. So I'm just gonna put on my shoes, go downstairs. I get to get like a quarter to class, and I get my hair. I don't know. Excuse me. Oh, what's happened back home? A million. Thank you guys for subscribing. You guys are simply amazing. I'm gonna do exactly that, and let's see if I want to have an airplane from my thing, but from my thing again. I hope not to have it. Anyways, when it's looking like gaps, but it's looking like gaps, guys. Sometimes we went wrong. He tried the flu concoctions, you know, I'm a vitamin C, and whatever flu, Panad.